I'm super excited to introduce you to my Ella Tote from Tory Burch. It's my new baby and I'm absolutely in love. Let's see what fits inside. Ella Tote is a very large tote and I think this is canvas. So nice, and then it has these little snaps on the side, so if you don't fill it up like I do, then you can easily close it so that it's not as bulky. It has a magnet on the inside so that the sides magnetize together and keep it closed. Okay, let's start with my sunglasses. I always wear sunglasses and I always bring them with me. Sometimes if I have a really small purse, I will not keep them in my purse. I'll just put them on the top of my head. But since I have so much space, I can easily put it in a sunglass holder. I've been reading this Decoding Greatness book. Since I restarted my YouTube channel, I've been reading all these business books and learning all kinds of new things and just kind of getting excited about my new business. Next up is my new planner that I got from Erin Condren. Super cute, and it has my initials on there, ACE. This is leather, and then on the inside are these individual planners. So this container, you can swap out the planners, and here there are 4 different planners that I can fit in here. This is like a journaling planner. The best time for new beginnings is now. And then I have my food meal planner, yum. And then let me see what else I've got in here. I have a few of these little, there's food on it. Sorry, it's a food planner, therefore it has food on it. Whoops. Hold the vision, trust the process. This goal setting journal. Your future is bright. This is a daily planner, so I get a planner sheet for each day. Basically it's small because it's only April through June, and once June is over, then I'm gonna switch it out for the next set, which is July through whatever month. But I really like it, and if I'm going somewhere, I bring it with me. And then I've got this cute little, every summer has a story, and it's a little bookmark that I put it on the day. So cute, it's rainbow. I love Erin Condren. I love their logos, this little flower, and then rainbows, they do a lot. I've got my phone. This is the loopy case, which I really like because I'm able to hold it easily without hurting my hands. I feel like the pop socket hurts my hands and I get like pains here. This is like rubber and it's really comfortable. Also, I wanted to tell you about this popple thing. Basically, instead of using business cards, I use this little thing. And when I meet people, I just tap it on their phone and all of my information goes to their phone. So like my Instagram, my YouTube, my blog, all kinds of things. And you can even put, I think you can put your phone number on there too. So instead of using business cards and wasting paper, you can use this awesome thing. It also comes in a keychain. Very cool. Next up, I have this Vera Bradley container for my laptop. Container? What is this called? So anyway, here's my Apple, it's also very dirty, my Apple laptop. And yeah, it keeps it contained and padded so that it protects it. But yeah, I can fit my laptop in here. I think this is the 13-inch one. I'll leave it in the description below which laptop size I have also. Everything that I'm talking about today is going to be linked below, so if you want to check something out, feel free to shop. Next up, we have this cute little makeup case that I have. I got this as a gift. I feel like it was from Bloomingdale's. If I can find it, I'll link it below. Okay, let me see what's in here. So we have Style Dry, which is a dry shampoo powder. So it's a little white powder and it comes with this little brush. So if I'm on the go and my hair is like very greasy, I just, it smells so good, put that in my hair really quickly. Let's see what else. I've got my Bye Bye Pores Press Powder from It Cosmetics. So just in case I need a little touch up, if I'm feeling like very oily, this is something. Also like the pad in there. I got this to match my loopy case. Super cute. I really like it. And then this is like a mask chain or a maskless. My friend sells them. I'm going to link them below if you guys are still wearing masks. It really makes it easier to wear a mask and take it off pretty easily. So you're able to put it on and then just drop it without having to put it away. Next up, I have this cute little earring container that I got from Amazon. My ears get very sore after a while. I like wearing big earrings, but then after a while they start hurting. So what I do is I put the big earrings in here and I swap them. So I'll have a little pair of studs in here and ready to swap them out. I'll link it below. It's so fun. It's such a great idea, especially if you like big earrings, but you don't like wearing them for hours and hours on end. And this way you can protect them in your bag. And you have a little container. So cute. We have my favorite brush. Use the hair. Philips Light Touch. This brush is amazing. Oh my God, it feels so good on my head. It's just, oh, so good. It's just like basically a scalp massage. I always keep a brush on me because my hair just likes to do whatever it wants. So yes, always have a brush on hand. If I'm wearing a smaller bag, I usually get one of those ones that actually like folds up and is able to fit into a tiny bag. Ooh, I gotta show you my new awesome gift for my anniversary. My husband got me some really fun gifts, and this is my little beats. So cute. I got the white. Target actually has a deal on them right now. So I got him a pair and he got me a pair, and we got it for a really good deal that is crazy good. So check it out below and I'm going to link it. I hope the deal is still happening because it's such a great deal. I just saw them at the Apple store for $2.49 and I think we got them for like $1.50. So such a great deal. Again, I'll link it below. Up we have my Erin Condren little pencil case, but I use it kind of like as a makeup case. I hope this is available. I got it in like a summer box, so I don't know if it's available, but definitely check below and I'll try to find it. I like it because it kind of, when you open it up, kind of lays flat, so it makes it a little bit easier and it's not gonna like roll off the counter or anything. So I keep a little tiny perfume in there just in case. Lip gloss for like a colored lip. The Aquifer lip repair because my lips are very chapped a lot. Also, I keep this little NARS concealer so that if like a pimple decides it wants to pop out, I can like cover it and then use the powder and, you know, bake it in. So yeah, and then I think that's, oh, a tweezer, just in case I have like an errant hair, you know, with my, I don't really do much with my eyebrows. So every once in a while will have a hair out of place. So I want to pluck it really quickly. Okay, last up is my little new Tory Burch purse. So I really like this like pebble leather bag. So cute. It's a crossbody and it has an adjustable strap. So I keep the strap in the bag. So this is the thing. I keep all of my like very important things in this bag, and then I put this bag inside the Ella Tote so that I can just easily, if I'm going somewhere and I just need to grab it, I can just grab this instead of the whole big bag. So what do we got in here? We have my card case that has money and a few cards. I just really don't like big wallets because I don't want to carry too much wallet. My keys, which this is basically, it's just my car key. And I just put that in there and I keep it closed because my car is able to like recognize the fact that I have it on me. But this way I can give it to, like if I'm doing a valet or something, I'm easily able to give it to them. And then next up I have my little hand sanitizer, the little Yoda. And oh, I have my husband's keys too. Apparently I have all the keys. This is also another like little Amazon. It's basically like the inexpensive version of this. I have this in pink too, like a rose gold, like shiny pink. So cute. The super soft, like pew leather. I highly recommend this. Kevin has had this probably. It's Fur is the name. I'm going to link it below. This is awesome for your husbands or for yourself. If you want to spend a fortune on a Louis Vuitton key case, then definitely check this one out. It's a much better deal. This bag, there's like little card holder also. So if you just like want to skip the wallet altogether, you can definitely use this instead and skip the wallet. So cute. It smells good too. Okay, let's talk about what's in the Tory Burch bag. So super cute little tees that they put right here. I'm sure that that's on purpose. And then they have the beautiful leather logo right here. And then they have those snaps so that if you're not filling up your bag like I do, you can snap it together and make it a little bit more compact. And then we have a leather bottom and like leather corners, really pretty. On the inside, we have one little pouch on one side and a zip pouch on the other. If I didn't have this little purse inside of it, I normally would keep my wallet and keys in here so that they're protected. So yeah, I'm definitely a big fan of this. If you guys want to check out my other video about Tory Burch bags, check it out here.